Hi, I'm Amy Sawtell, and in this demonstration I'll be showing you how to create two SharePoint 2013 subsites. One will be based on the team site template, which gives you the wiki library, and the second is based on the project site template, which gives you the tasks and the calendar lists. So let's get started. To create the first subsite, on the left in the quick launch, I'm going to be clicking on the site contents link. In the site contents page at the bottom, there will be a link to create a new subsite. We'll give the new subsite a name and a URL, and then select the template, which we'll be choosing Team Site to start with. Towards the bottom of the page, I'm going to use the same top links bar as my parent sales site, and then click OK. And it creates a new subsite based on the team site template. It gives me a documents library for just storing general documents, but it also creates a site pages library, which we can find in the site contents. The site pages library is set up as a wiki library, and there's shortcuts to use it. So when I want to create a new page for my site for reporting, in the corner I can go into my settings menu and click add a page. This is the one major difference between this template, the team site template, and the project site template. So let's look at the project site template. I'll go back to my top level sales site and be creating a new subsite here. So back into site contents, and at the bottom of the page, a new subsite. We'll give the subsite a name. I'll use the same name, and then the URL, and then we'll select the template, and this time we'll be using the project site template. At the bottom of the page, I'll select to use the same navigation as the parent, and then click create. And it creates a new subsite based on the project site template. I get a documents library just like the team site template gave me, but I also get a list for tasks and calendar. What I don't get is that site pages library to store those pages that I would create for reporting purposes. And I'm not going to get that link in the corner to do that. Now I can create a new library to store those things, I just don't get them to start with. So the main difference between the two templates is going to be that wiki library. Other than that, we can always add and remove content that we wanted or that we didn't want.